for any reasonable Nigerian or for any Nigerian to say if you no support APC or the leading party for their failures, you belong to any other party. That person a thief. That person a crook. And the person will die unreasonable deaths. And the person will die untimely deaths. God will punish that person. I am not a card-carrying member of any party. I no belong to PDP. I no belong to APC. I no belong to ADC. I no belong to any of whether Labour Party or any party in this country. I dey support anybody who I see say it is reasonable. I dey support anybody who I know say this person na person who worth to lead. I dey support anybody who I see say the person get conscience, human conscience. I dey support anybody who I know say the person dey born am with morality. Now make even outside politics, the people who I dey support na people like them VDM, people like them Mama P, people like them Peter for Nigeria, Randy Peters, and other reasonable Nigerians. I know they support you based on say you come from my place or you speak my language or you worship for the same religion or the same church or belong to one religion. I know they support person based on ethnic lines. So for you to even the reason say, okay, for one person to talk, say this person no do well, Tinubu no do well because of say no come from your own place, or Tinubu no do well because of say no belong to your own party, or Tinubu no do well because of say they belong to another religion, while the person they talk belong to another religion. Be like say God will punish you. God will punish you if you the reason I'm in that way. And if I go come action and say, okay, this very person where you talk about, Tinubu where you talk about now, wetin he don't do, where you won't use, say okay, he don't do well. If we should go by that ethnic lines, religious line, and all the lines where you won't even use as a reason to campaign for them. Okay, you are from the same religion, Muslim, no problem. Tell us what your Muslim brother as your own leader or as our own leader don't do. Where you just say me, make a supporter. For almost the 4 years when you don't rule. Tell me it's okay. For these 4 years when you don't rule, you don't do this one. In petroleum sector, I be the fuel where people they buy all of us, everything about fuel, it affect both the rich people and the common person. Tell me it's okay. On this aspect, you don't do this one. Like fuel aspect, you don't do this one. Like the dollar aspect, you don't do this one. Like the food where all of us they chop, you don't do this one. The light all of us they use, you don't do this one. The road all of us they use, you don't do this one. Just use like at least 2 to 3 things. I've been a security where they affect all of us. You don't do them. Use 2 to 3 things. Campaign for them. Campaign for me. Be like say you know get sense. You where they look at situations, the way people they suffer, the way the country they go, and you see they support somebody because of saying that your religion member, he come from the same religion with you, or because of saying a Yoruba person where he come from, or the Western axis with you, or because of say this person now based on party lines, God will punish you.